Hey, what's up, students? How are you? I hope you all are good. Today I will teach you how to make palindromic pattern. First is what is palindromic? Palindromic means हम स्टार्टिंग से और एंडिंग से दोनों तरफ से देखेंगे तो हम सेम चीज़ देखेंगे. जैसे बॉब, BOB, हम स्टार्टिंग से BOB पढ़ेंगे और लास्ट से भी BOB पढ़ेंगे. First we are making the Java package and then palindromic class. Then basic syntax, we are inputting the scanner class and then user value. First we are initializing output the system.out.println, enter the number of rows the user they want, and then we are creating outer loop int I is equals to 1 and I less than equal to n. जो यूजर ने इनपुट दिया है वो वहां तक चलेगा. एंड देन आई इंक्रीमेंट. पहले हम स्पेसिंग प्रिंट करवाएंगे, देन फिर उसके बाद हम स्पेस स्टार. system.out.println, first we are printing the space and then we are printing the number 1 2 3 4 like that. And then first we are creating the inner loop for int j equals to something, and then we are printing the number j, and then we creating other loop. The other side, right hand side, will increment 2 3 4 like that, and then we are increasing system.out.println, and then we are printing the j, and in next line system.out.println, and then execute. चलो इसको थोड़ा अच्छा करने के लिए हम println हटा देते हैं यहाँ से, and then execute. Print 6. There is some problem. There is some problem. j ln and then execute. So there is some problem. j equals to I. Yes, and then execute, and we are printing 6. Look at this, 1 2 1 2